Welcome to GEMVC installation tutorial. You can follow these steps directly in your preferred IDE terminal such as VS Code. Everything we cover today is fully documented on our official website at gemvc.de. Simply navigate to the site, scroll down to the How to Install section, and you'll find the complete step-by-step guide. GEMVC has a few system requirements. While Composer is a primary tool, I strongly recommend using Docker for consistent environment. Before we start, ensure you have Composer and PHP 8.2 Plus installed. GenVC supports both a standalone library for a smooth legacy migration and a full framework setup. First, create a new project directory, example, my GenVC project, and navigate into it. Then, run Composer requires GenVC library in command line or IDE terminal to install the library in the project root. One of the most important features of GEMVC is that it works identically across all supported server environments. You can migrate your application from Apache to OpenSwoole without changing a single line of your code. The GEMVC init command is essential when we using GEMVC as a framework. It automatically creates the entire project structure, including folder and all necessary configuration files. During setup, you can choose your web server, OpenSwoole, Apache, or Nginx. In this example, we use OpenSwoole, but the steps are identical for all other environments. Choosing OpenSwoole as your server will install specific dependencies to ensure smooth connection pooling and prevent memory leaks. In the next video, we will use this source code in VS Code to build a full CRUD operation. Next, configure your Docker services via Docker Compose YAML file. You can choose optional components such as Redis, PHP, MyAdmin, MySQL. Choose your code environment, development or production mode, and allocate CPU and RAM resources for your service. Ensure Docker is running if you want to clean up existing container with the same name. Otherwise, you will encounter an error. No, we don't need it at the moment. I recommend enabling PHP stand for robust static analysis. With yes, PHP stand will be installed. Next step, you choose preferred testing framework or install it later on. We just skip it for the moment. Before next step, ensure your Docker desktop is running. Once Docker is active, execute the docker compose up command. Completion time may vary depending on your system configuration and internet speed. Please wait for running prompt. This process will automatically create the entire Docker environment, including networks and volumes. Once the containers are built, click on the container ports, view the formatted REST API JSON response, confirming a successful installation. Next, verify your environment at HTTP localhost port 9501 index. Since you are in development mode, you will see detailed information regarding the server and database status. You can also check the GEMVC version and the database connection status. As shown, database name is unknown. The database has failed to establish a connection because database shall be initiated. The final step is to initialize your database with vendor bin gemvc db init command. This command sets up your database based on your .env setting. Your GEMVC application now is ready for development. Thank you for watching and happy coding. I am Ali Khorsandfard and see you in the next video.